Okay, children, which topic we do the algebra part 3. We'll do some exercise questions. Exercise 11.1 class 6 maths. Question 1. Find the rule which gives the number of matchsticks required to make the following matchstick patterns. Use a variable to write the rule. You have to use the variable to write the rule. Okay. For 1 T, how many matchsticks are required? 2 matchsticks. So, number of matchsticks required to make pattern T, it is 2. For 2 T's, n is equal to 2, 2 into n, where n is equal to 2 T's, 2 into 2, 4. 3, it is 3 into 2, 6, where 2n, where n is the number of T's. Pattern of letter Z as Z. Z, how many matchsticks are required? 3. So 1 Z, 3 into 1, 3. For 2 Z's, where n is equal to 2. N means it stands for number of Z's. 3 into 2, 6. N is equal to 3. 3 into 3, 9. The rule is 3n. N is the number of Z's. Pattern of letter U as U. So for 1 U, how many matchsticks are required? 3. For 2 U's, totally 6. So 3 into 2. N is means n equal to 2 means number of U's. 3 U's, 3 into 3, 9. 4 U's, 3 into 4, 12. Rule is 3n, where n is the number of U's. D. The pattern of letter V as V. So V, how many matchsticks are required to 1 make? 1 V, 2. So for 1 V, it is 2 into 1, 2 matchsticks. For 2 V's, 2 into 2, 4. 3 V's, 2 into 3, 6. 4 V's, 2 into 4, 8. Rule is 2n, where n is the number of V's. Pattern of letter E as E. So 1 E, how many matchsticks? 5. 2 is 10. So 5 into 2 or n. N is equal to 2 means 2 is 5 into 2, 10 matchsticks are required. N is equal to 3, 5 into 3, 15. Rule is 5n, where n is the number of E's. Pattern of letter S. Required 5 matchsticks to make 1 S. For 2 S's or n is equal to 2, 5 into 2, 10. For n is equal to 3 or 3 S's, 5 into 3, 15. Rule is 5n, where n is the number of S's. Pattern of letter A as A. For A, 1A, 6 matchsticks are required. N is equal to 1 means 1A. For 2A, 6 into 2, 12 matchsticks. N is equal to 3 means 3A, 6 into 3, 18. Rule is 6n. N is the number of A's. So question 2. We already know the rule for the pattern of letters L, C and F. Some of the letters from question given above give us the same rule as that of L. Which are these? Why does this happen? Solution. Rule for letters L, it is 2. 1 L, it is actually 2 matchsticks. So 2n stands for number of L's. C is 2n. V is equal to 2n. F, it is 3n. Because F, 3 matchsticks are required. N means number of F's. So suppose 3 F's means 3 into 3, 9 matchsticks. T, 3n. Same way, for 1 T, 3 matchsticks are required. Okay. So 3 T's, 3 into 3, 9. U. For 1 U, 3 matchsticks. So 3 U's, 3 into 3, 9. Like that. We observe that rule is same for L, V and T, as they require only 2 matchsticks. C, F and U have the same rule, that is 3n, as require only 3 matchsticks. Cadets are marching in a parade. There are 5 cadets in a row. What is the rule which gives the number of cadets? Even the number of rows. Use n for the number of rows. Number of cadets in a row is 5. Number of rows, take it as n. So number of cadets for one row, 5 into 1, 5, it is given. For n is equal to 2 or 2 rows, 5 into 2, 10. For n is equal to 3, 3 rows, 5 in each row means 5 into n, 5 into 3, n is equal to 3 here for 3 rows. Rule is 5n, where n is the number of rows. If there are 50 mangoes in a box, how will you write the total number of mangoes in terms of the number of boxes, where B is the number of boxes? Number of boxes B, number of mangoes in box 50. Number of mangoes for n is equal to 1. That is 1 box, 50 into B. Here for 1 box means n equal to 1. Okay, 2 boxes, n equal to 2. 50 into 2, 100 mangoes. N is equal to 3 means 3 boxes. 50 into 3, 150. Rule is 50B, where B stands for number of boxes. Fifth question. Teacher distributes 5 pencils per student. Can you tell how many pencils are needed given the number of students? Use S for the number of students. Number of students, yes. Number of pencils distributed by student, 5. Number of pencils required, n is equal to 1 means for one student, that is n equal to 1. N equal to 1 means one student. 5 into S, where S equal to 1, 5 pencils. For two students, S instead of S, what you will put here? 2. 5 into 2, 10. N is 3. Instead of S, we'll put 3. For 3 students, 15 pencils are to be distributed. Rule is 5S, where S represents the number of students. Okay, children? We'll continue the next part in the next session.